and of course the swim. And we can swim with an elephant and a man with an elephant on his back. All ours. Your own pool. Look, it's not the longest, but you can still do your triathlon swim in it. Don't forget to have your shower first. Not many people do, but I do. But it's freezing. The water in the pool is warmer than the shower. If there's anybody at the pool with a disability and they can't get down, there's 4 sets of steps. They've got a lift machine here, S.A. Smith. If you need one of those, you probably know whether this is adequate. Lowers you into the water and there's someone available to do it. Plenty of sunbeds all the way around, a couple of showers, man with an elephant on his back and my wife running behind it. Pool rules: no jumping, no diving, no food. Make sure you shower first. But it's a really nice area. Running track goes above it. Couple of whirlpools, one here and one here. Big video screen, bit of a stage. But all good. Really nice area. Doesn't appear to have lifeguards though, just in case you bring kids, keep an eye on them.